Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add your TikTok feed to your Wix Studio website. It could be a design like this, or we will have different alternatives as well later in this video. Since Wix and Wix Studio doesn't have this as a built-in feature, we need to use an element from an external website. It's completely free, don't worry about that, and you don't even need to enter any credit card information. I've added a link in the video description that is going to take you to this website right here. It's called elfsight.com, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Now from here, we just need to go up to widgets right here, and then under social, we can see there is a TikTok feed option down here. Click here and then click on the pink button that says create widget for free. And that's going to take us down to this menu right here where we can start customizing what we actually want it to look like. So as you can see, this is a nice feed where you can scroll. You also have a dark option right here. You can also customize the colors to suit your website after. You don't need to stick to the design that you see on any of these templates, so you can design it further. But you can simply click around and see what it might look like. So in this case, I'm just going to try with this white design right here. And once you're happy with your selection, just click on the green button down here that says continue with this template. And now from here, we need to add our source here. And we can either add a profile or a hashtag. So the thing I just want to say now is that I believe that you can only add a business profile. So if you don't have your account on TikTok set to business account, then you won't actually be able to add it here. So you could do something like TikTok's account. So if we write TikTok right here and click apply, then you can see it's going to pull up the feed from TikTok's official TikTok account. And you can also do something like Sarah, like this, and click apply. They also have a business profile, but if I did my personal one, you can't actually see anything. So if you can't see any feed on here, it might be because you don't have a business profile on TikTok. But if you want to try and go around this, you might want to start adding hashtags to your content on TikTok, where you can use this hashtag, and then we can pull up any kind of content that might fall under this hashtag. So if you have a business, it's quite a good idea to add a business tag. You can see Sarah here have Sarah Kids, for example, or they have Sarah Athletics. So that's kind of how you can also use this option. So if you can't see your feed here, just start using the hashtags on your content and then it'll work. But once you've done this, I'm just going to use a profile. Once you've done this, you can go in here and layout and you can start customizing it. So if you don't want this layout right here, you can click around and see the different options. So if you want something that's a bit more narrow like this to fit in as an element on your website, then this is a great option as an example. And you can also go here to post where you can customize a bit further. You can see there's different ways of displaying it. So this is quite a nice and simple design where you can still read the actual text here as well. And yeah, I personally like the simple design. I think that's gonna go well with most websites. But if you want something else, just click around on these arrows here. You also have a few different options right here where you can choose the pop-up style from feed to classic. And to actually start designing the colors, you can go on appearance right here where you can see the color scheme. So right now the accent color is blue. Let's see what that actually is. So you can see that's this background color here when people hover over. So you can go around and customize that. You can also customize, the text. You can customize everything here, the background as well. So it's also important to note that the background right now is transparent. If I click here, you can see there's no color. That means that this is actually not a white background, but it's going to be a transparent background. So if I finish the element like this right now and I inserted it to the website, it's going to overlay on whatever is on the background color of the website. So right now we would have a brown background, for example. But if you don't want that, you can just go here and select the color. And you also have these kind of background colors where it's like a little bit opaque, but not fully. But yeah, you can just go and play around with it and see what works for you. But once you're ready to add it to your website, simply click down here and add to website for free, and then just wait a moment. It's going to take us into this template builder. Again, it's the exact same builder. So if you're happy with the design and you don't have any other things that you want to edit, just go up here and click on publish. Now from here, you're going to get taken to the site right here where you need to choose your plan. And since we just want to use a free plan, just click on free right here. And then it's going to take us to the next page here. And from here, just click on this code here, click copy code. And if you don't have this pop-up, just make sure to click away from it, click on TikTok feed here, and then click on install. And you're going to get the exact same pop-up here. But yeah, copy the code here. And now it's time to go back to Wix Studio and then go over here on the plus symbol to add elements and then go to embed on social, embed code, and choose the very first option here. And now it's going to add the square to a website. Simply click on enter code right here. And now if you have any code here, just delete it. So it's completely blank. And now insert the code that we just copied and click update. And just let that load for a second like this. Click away here. And now we just need to expand the frame like here. So let's choose our website. Let's see, like this. And now we can simply go here. We can just move this up here like so. Oh, let's try again. Let's see how it works here. Like so. And yeah, there you have it. Now you have a TikTok feed on your Wix Studio website. That is pretty much it for this video. If you have any other questions at all in the comment section, please let me know and I'll try my best to help you.